For the second problem now, I will write here accessible value of the goods 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, basic custom duty BCD 10%, safeguard duty 15%, compensation cess 28%, IGST 12%. Calculate duty payable. Calculate duty payable. Now, how to work out this particular problem here is, here one more extra you can get, two more extra you can get. One is safeguard duty, another one is compensation cess. Compensation cess, which will come together with the IGST, together with IG, last part. The rest of all duty will be the first part. Now, statement showing duty payable. Duty payable. Statement showing duty payable. The first column is called as duty. Second column called as value of imported goods. Value of imported goods. Now here, first you are supposed to take accessible value. What the accessible value here is? 5 lakhs. Add duty. First duty here is BCD, basic custom duty. Here basic custom duty is 10%, so 5 lakh into 10% to be 50,000. If there is a BCD, you are supposed to give social welfare surcharge. Social welfare surcharge from BCD. 50,000 into 10% to be 5,000. Thereafter, we are supposed to go for safeguard duty. Safeguard duty. Safeguard duty from accessible value. 5 lakh into, at what percent safeguard duty here is? 15%. 15% safeguard duty here is, that should be 75,000. Thereafter, we can find the two duties. One is compensation cess, another one is called as IGST. The compensation cess and IGST should not be considered along with this. By leaving these two, whatever the duty we can find, that should be taken into consideration here itself. It depends upon the question paper. It depends upon the question paper as well as it depends upon the question or question paper set. The unit order of this should be 4,60,000. Sorry. Total should be 1,30,000. Do the total of this 6,30,000. Now add IGST. Add IGST. IGST from 6,30,000. 6,30,000 into what the range here is 28%. Should be 28%, which will come up to 1,76,400. 1,76,400. And one more thing should be taken here is, I'm sorry, 76,400. Not 1 lakh. 76. Sorry, IGST is not 28%, is 12%. I'm sorry, 12%, which will come up to 75,600. One more thing here is compensation cess 28%. Compensation cess 28%. Again, that 28% from this only 6,30,000 into 28%, which will come up to 1,76,400. Do the total and put it outer column. That will be 3 totally should be 2,52,000, 2,52,000, and do the grand total, first column and the second column. The first column total is 3,82,000 and second column total here is 8,82,000.